On CHINT 40th anniversary, our valued international customers joined us at the Old River Summit, shared insights on smart electricity and new energy, explored CHINT factories, and sent their best regards. Let's hear what did they say. What is your first impression of CHINT?
Innovative.
Wonderful.
Fabulous. Impressive.
How do you feel about this journey?
And very organized. The organization, it's amazing.
CHINT is a very fabulous company.
It's a very nice experience. It's very impressive.
This is amazing for me.
Any thoughts on intelligent manufacturing?
I like this factory because I visit many factory in world, and this is I think the biggest and the best factory I see.
So it's my first visit to a factory of CHINT, and I have here before that it's automatic factory, but when we see it, you feel it that you are in the top manufacturer. It's very wonderful.
You can see the factory with automation things that is faster, no people there, and you can be more faster in the delivery of the equipment, delivery the goods to the customers.
CHINT have many solutions for electric power.
Congratulations for the director and the team of this factory.
Is there any specific product or solution that interests you the most?
We are very much interested in CHINT bringing technologies to save, the environment.
I very interested in this system.
I would say our most successful product line is the MCBs, and especially the NXB, in which we have included, in cooperation with the Public Power Corporation, to the national network, selling more than 7 million MCBs to date along all of Greece.
Nowadays I can say that CHINT have a full solution. If I have a project in Algeria, I don't look for anywhere. I go directly for CHINT and I find my solution.
It's not easy to make one switch gear in 20 minutes.
This year marks CHINT 40th anniversary. Could you send your blessing to CHINT?
Happy birthday, CHINT!
CHINT 생일 축하합니다.
Happy birthday. Hopefully you'll have another 80 years ahead of you.
Excel in future, and best of luck for the CHINT in future.
CHINT empower the world.
CHINT empower the world.